Hello, I'm Lisa Young. Welcome to my channel. So I'm starting a new month of journaling, and I just thought I would kind of walk you through like a few things that I do. So one of the things I do is I'll prep a page to get it ready for the new month so that I have some stuff already ready set out for me to make sure that I'm journaling, because if I prep it, I'll do it. If I don't prep it, I can skip it. So I usually put a little thing, right? Like I put July 2025 to mark that I'm working into a new month. So because I may not date all of my pages as good as I should. So this helps me kind of keep track of where I'm at. So all of my stencil line that I have, I prep a bunch of fodder pieces for me to add to my journals. And I just kind of flip through them and see what feels good. But I thought this Keys to Heart and Wings stencil set would be perfect for this. And I already have some markings on some of these pages, and so I just thought I would start working from here. I'm trying to decide if I want colorful or this. I think I might do that there, and maybe put this little moth here. I don't know. We'll see what happens. So for this page, this is going to be the currently. I call it just a current in my life kind of thing. It's such an easy way to be in your journal. It's a once a month thing. I prep it in the beginning, and throughout the month I'll add to it, but it just gives a quick overview of my month that is kind of fun and easy to do. So I'm going to put these to the side here, and let's see. Maybe I'll take watercolor and write currently up here or over here. Current, maybe I'll put it over here. Since we're using black, maybe I'll just do it here. And so I'm just gonna watercolor the word currently. And let's see, how do I put it? I need to look and see what I do. I just put currently, I guess. Current. I didn't put a title on this one, so I'll do. I'm wavering here. Current or currently? Current events. Maybe I'll do current events. That one I didn't do like a title on, so I was struggling with what I wanted to do here. And then I'm gonna just take this pin, and put events. Happenings. Okay, and so on this one, I'm sorry, I keep flipping back and forth to this one just because it has quotes, listening, reading, events, streaming, eating and drinking, watching. So let's do quotes. Events. I'm gonna put something, I think something across here would be good. So like music, reading, watching. I don't know if I'll have a lot that I watch, either reruns most of the time. Eating and drinking, dreaming. Eating and drinking, maybe. I'll do, so I have this set out, and then what I'll do, I can even add some colors to this if I want to. I was going to put this here. It's a good thing I waited to see how this was going to plan out, map out, because I don't think I have space for this here, unless I did like a little flap on it, like put a little tag on it, which I could. I think I'm just going to glue this over here, and then I use this 0.35 pen to do the writing. This Tombow is really nice for like bolder writing, and so then this is like this teeny size, and I like it because I can get more in, and I like that. And I kind of like having this visual page on this side and the writing on this side. It's something that I'm enjoying right now, so I'm going to kind of go with it. It's not something I do on every page, but I like it. In the heart of journal writing, we focus on a quarter at a time, but I break down the class into quarters, into months, and into weeks. And so we have 52 weeks of prompts that we do, and we have a quarterly focus, that kind of thing. It really helps me stay in the writing mode, so I've really enjoyed it. But this kind of stuff, the writing that we do in the heart of journal writing is stuff that you're not normally thinking about. So it gives you topics, so over here, I think I have some pages here. So this was like things that are bringing me joy, and a routine that I love, and I love my morning routine. And so I did like some mind mapping. Mind mapping is my favorite thing to do, so I do a lot of mind mapping. But anyways, I don't think I have any more in here, but anyways, I think I'm gonna leave this as it is. I might put some pictures around this heart as the month goes, or maybe even a pocket here, or maybe a flip-in pocket with some pictures and some mementos might be fun. I don't know. There's just possibilities here. So I'm going to let this dry, and then it'll be waiting for me. And that's what's nice about prepping your journal for this type of thing, is that you will fill it. If you don't prep it, you're less likely to. So I like doing it this way, so that I know that there's a place for me to land to write some things. And it's kind of fun to look back on a currently page and see what you were doing. So where is that one? This one, like, I was reading The Paradise Problem, current events. There was an Idaho firefighter ambush. I wanted to remember them. Dreaming about drinking iced tea. We were drinking a ton of iced tea. And the flavors were peach iced tea and watermelon iced tea, lots of cheese and bruschetta, watching reruns of Heart of Dixie, then a new show called Patience on PBS. I love PBS. Listening to the Anchorage Drive playlist, my favorite quote, that kind of stuff. So it is kind of nice to go back and forth on. I could have done better on that one, but I didn't prep it. And you can tell I didn't prep it till very last minute, and I just threw it together because I didn't do it. And the only reason I added it, like, this is bad to admit, but the only reason I added it is because there was a blank page next to this month daily list thing from June. And so I added it like probably midway through the month, and I don't know, it just is thrown together. So I kind of like this better. It's ready for me at the beginning of the month, and sort of, I mean, we're only at the 5th. So it's ready for me to start working in, and we'll see how it goes. I'm interested if you do a currently or current events and happenings in your life, what topics do you put? Because it would be nice to know if you do something different. I would love to hear that, because it'll maybe give me something different to add to this. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this, and I will see you next time.